Hi everyone, I am Ashwin, Design Thinker, Department of Biomedical Engineering from SNS College of Technology. Currently I am pursuing my Biomedical Engineering at SNS College of Technology. Now I am going to represent my topic. Now I am going to represent my topic is about artificial intelligence in medical care. First of all, we can see artificial intelligence in medical care. First of all, we can see about the objectives. The main objectives of the artificial intelligence in medical care is about the symptology of affecting use in hypervariable current practice guidelines and the variability of experience in medicine, the transferability and the two-ways outcoming tracking suffers. This can lead to suboptimal handling of the disease. Patient outcome is unpredictable. In machine learning, machine is made to learn the various parameter including symptoms, behavior, biochemical and pathological variable among others. With the help of the specially designed the software, the computer can develop perfect learning. With the help of the computer, we can understand everything and we can cure what is the effect of that. What is the effect of in learning? AI needs machine learning factory heightened diagnostic sensitivity, specificity and treatment. Saha Mantran process of knowledge based initiative around medical virtualism to be utilized for co-creating machine learning during AI in the medicine. Next we can see in innovation in medical and biological engineering. The year changes as well as the technology also can be changed. In 1950s and earlier, they are supposed to use the artificial kidney, X-ray, electrocardiogram, cardiac pacemaker, cardiopulmonary bypass, antibiotic production technology, defibrillator. In 1960s, heart valve replacement, intraocular lens, ultrasound, vascular graft, blood analysis and processing. In 1970s, they are supposed to use that computer. In 1970s, they are used with the computer associated tomography, artificial hip and knee replacements, ballooner catheter, endoscopy, biological plant food engineering. In 1980s, they used to magnetic resonance imaging, laser surgery, vascular grafts, recombinant therapeutics, present day genomic sequencing and microarrays, position emission tomography and image guided surgery. In different generation, they used different technologies with the computer to intimate in medical care. This is the diagram of how we use the computer knowledge with the medical care in art. Seeing medical care in artificial intelligence, we can see about what is artificial intelligence. Definition of artificial intelligence is use of computer to model intelligent behavior with minimal human intervention. Machine and computer programs are capable of problem solving and learning like a human brain. Natural language process (NLP) and translation, pattern recognition, visual prescription and decision making. Machine learning (ML), one of the most exciting areas in development of computational approaches to automatically make sense of data. Advantages of machine: can retain information, become smarter over time. It can work without getting any boredom and without using any knowledge, become smarter over time. Machine is not susceptible to sleep derivation, distraction, information and overloaded short and memory loss and temporary loss. There are two types of medical in AL. They are the application of the AL in medicine. Medicine has two main branches, visual branch and physical branch. The AL branches is a physical branch and virtual branch. They have the highly repetitive work, empower doctors, help them deliver fast and most accurate. Augment the professionals, offering them expertise and assistance. Replace personnel and staffing in medical faculty, particularly in administrative function. Managing wait times and automatic schedulings. Deep learning device will not replace clinical. First, we can say now artificial intelligence medical care, the visual branch. The visual component is represented by the machine learning, also called as. We can see the final judgment of the medical care in artificial intelligence in future-based. Future Indian scenario for medical care in artificial intelligence. collaboration between medical and technical institutions, stop working in silos, remove firewall of clinical load, hope for IPR, government funding, more intelligent and result oriented rather than your iPad, scientific mafia or scientist mafia, current status of medical record, incommunicable silos of waste information for the health system and for knowledge acquisition. Laboratories and clinical need to collaborate to accelerate the implementation of electronic health records. Data need to captured in real time and institutions should promote their transformation into the intelligible process. New scientist and clinical findings should be shared through open source and aggregated data must be displayed for open access by the physicians and scientists made automatically available as a point of care information. Integration and interoperability including ethical, legal and logistical concern of enormous simplification, readability and clinical utility of data sets. Each result must be questioned for its clinical applicability, aim for increasing their clinical value and decreasing health cost. Electronic medical or health records are essential tools for the personalized medicine, early detection and targeted prevention again and again. Diagnostic and therapeutical errors, increased patient safety and huge cost saving associated with use of AI, that means artificial intelligence. AI system extract useful information from large patient population, assist making real-time inferences for health risk alert with health outcome prediction, learning and self-coding abilities to improve its accuracy based on the feedback. Artificial intelligence in the medical care, the physical branch. It includes physical objects, medical objects, sophisticated robots for delivery or care bots, robots for surgery. Growth of medical care in artificial intelligence, increasing individual healthcare expansions, larger geographic population, imbalance between health workforce and patients, increasing global health care expenditure, continuous shortage of nursing and technician staff. The number of vacancies for nurse will be 1.2 million by 2020. AL is and will help medical practitioners efficiently achieve their task with minimal human intervention, a critical factor increasing patient demand. Potential changes in medical care on artificial intelligence, development costs, integration issue, ethical issue, rectulence along medical patientry to adopt all fearing of replacing human, data privacy and security, mobile health application and event that use AI, lack of interoperability between AI solution, data exchange, need for continuous training by data from clinical studies, incentives for sharing data on the system of the further development and improvement of system. Nevertheless, all the practicals in healthcare system, the physician, paramedical companies and the patients have greater inquiries to compile and exchange informations. State and federal regulation, rapid and interactive process of software updates commonly used to improve exciting product and service. Their industry challenges, high initial capital requirement, potential for increased unemployment, difficulty in deployment. Rectulence among the medical patientry to about AI, ambiguous regulatory guidelines for medical software, lack of collaborated healthcare data, concern regarding privacy and security.